How to delete Pokemon Go account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Pokemon Go account on your phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Pokemon Go app. So now once you're in the app, here you have to tap on the Pokeball in the bottom here. Then tap on settings in the top right corner here. Then scroll down and here you will see advanced settings. Tap on it. Then here tap on delete account. Now here it says once you confirm account deletion, this action cannot be undone, so tap on continue. Now here it says you have initiated deletion of your account. Once you have verified deletion by email, then your account will be scheduled to be deleted. So tap on OK and open your email. Refresh your email. You will receive an email from Niantic like this. Open that email. Now here you will see this code, so you have to copy this code and you have to reply to this email with this code. If you reply within 30 days, your account will be deleted. If you don't reply within 30 days, your account will not be deleted. So after copying this code, scroll down, tap on reply, paste the code here and tap on send. And now we have sent the reply with this code. So now you have to wait for the email from them that your account is permanently deleted. So you have to wait for some time and you will get an email from them. And so this is how you can delete Pokemon Go account. Thanks for watching.